program. You're watching Sean Bike. My name is Sean Santa Maria. Katatapos lang natin ang morning ride. It's one of my morning fitness rides. And we're making a video. I decided to make this video because some of you have asked me direct message, comments, Instagram. You've asked me what I usually bring sa mga daily quote-unquote wala lang rides. No, and this is a result of the other video, yung ODAX video ko. It's an ODAX ODAX essentials, so to speak, na video where I showed you my bike, ano mga dinadala ko, the kind of preparations. Pero ito, it's a simpler ride today. Obviously, hindi tayo magto 200, hindi ito 200-kilometer ride. This is my simple daily 30 to 40k ride. And you've asked nga, ano mga dala ko. So here we are. I'm gonna show you my bike, what's on me, what's in my pockets. It's sort of an everyday carry, no? Pero ang mga EDC video is usually bag, di ba? So walang bag, but it's some kind of an everyday carry video. So stick around, enjoy. Okay, so this is how we're gonna do it, no? Let's do head to toe, I guess. Wala namang format. Helmet first. This is my POC Ventral RCC exclusive helmet. Okay, that's navy and pink, and it's POC. A lot of people say POC. No, common mistake yan. Hindi siya POC, hindi siya individual letters, hindi siya abbreviation for something. It's POC. Okay, so POC Ventral RCC, and you need to be an RCC member. It goes without saying para mabili mo to. So this is a Rafa POC helmet. Medyo malaki siya, no? Ang format niya parang almost kabute style, but you know, that's the shape of the helmet. And of a few other helmets, and this is hindi ko siya favorite. Ang favorite ko yung Omni Air Spin ko. It's also a POC. Pero okay na rin siya. It does the job, no? Shades. I believe I showed this to you dun sa ODAX video. These shades are fairly new. Binili ko sa Barcelona. These are the Oakley Jawbreakers. Photochromic, of course, for convenience. And I love the look of the Jawbreaker. Para sa akin, it's stylish. It looks maangas, mukha ko mabilis. Yeah, I'm wearing a neck tube, a face mask, whatever. This is from Decathlon. Okay, 300 pesos lang yata ito from Decathlon. I got several of these. And this, I believe, is like a copper color nung una kong binili. Nangupas na over time, but these are very comfortable. And I never bike without this mask on. No? When I'm at the cafe, pag tumitigil tayo, nakababa yan to my neck. But when I ride, nakatakip yan. To protect my face, pollution na rin. It's not gonna protect you totally and absolutely from pollution, but you know, any kind of protection will do. So a lot of people have stopped wearing face masks na on the road, pero ako, force of habit. And it protects my skin also because, you know, baby soft skin is important. There you go. So going down, I'm wearing a Braulio kit. This is a Rafa Cycling Club Braulio. All right, Braulio is an artist. Nakalimutan ko na yung first name, but he designed the jersey. It's a full Braulio kit. Jersey and bib. Braulio set yan. Yung hat ko, Braulio din. Let me show you the design. Braulio din siya. See? Kita niyo yung design language, almost the same. Right? But the hat came before the kit. Itong RCC hat na to actually is part of the RCC kit of last year. Yung bagong hat ng mga newer members, yun yung green na may parang ibon. This is the one that came before that. At Braulio yon. And this came much later. Okay? I'm wearing compression pants. Always yan. And this particular pair is Nike, I believe, and 3/4 lang. I don't do the full length. Ewan ko ba't hindi ko ginagawa, but you know, when it's time to buy again, at full length lang ang meron, I'm gonna do full length. But these are 3/4. And I have several of these. Kung bumili ako nito, dala-dalawa, tatlo-tatlo at a time. Kasi ang buhay lang niya is 6 to 7 months. No? Ang wear niya nangyayari una sa knees, where naghihimulmul na kagad siya after a few months. that's the deal. Manipis kasi siya na material, but I can't bike without it. So palagi ako may compression pants. I'm wearing Rafa Cycling Club socks. Ito yung black with the pink stripes. Merong white and pink, meron ding navy and pink. No, but this is the black pair. And of course, I'm wearing the Rafa Classic lace-up shoes. Okay, lace-ups, obviously. Perforated, breathable, very classy. Yan. I have two classic shoes. Yung isa, yung black. This is the stone colorway. Yeah, grayish. Love it. So, ayan, what else is on my body? This is the Garmin Instinct. The Garmin Instinct Tactical. It's your basic Garmin watch. Hindi siya touchscreen, hindi siya colored, but it has everything I need. Ang pinaka main use ko nito would be for the heart rate. Okay, and this communicates with my Garmin unit right here. So heart rate siya. And it's got other stuff like GPS, may waypoints din. You can run and it's gonna measure your distance, you know, so it's got what I need. That's my Garmin. On my other wrist is my road tag. Okay, it's got my name, it's got an emergency contact. Wala naman akong allergies, and it's got the names of my wife and daughter. So road tag, very important din yan. Aksidente ka, you lose consciousness, people can refer to this to contact your loved one para, you know, to get help. What else? So that's everything on me. No, no, not quite. Let's look at my pockets. I'm taking out this thing from behind. Okay, first thing on my pocket, yung lalagyan natin ng salamin, which is for the Oakley. Pero ang laman nito would be my eyeglasses. Okay, so pag umuupo na tayo sa cafe or we're at our destination na, ready siya. You just put this back in the bag. Need to have my glasses, of course. Teka, let's prop the camera somewhere to make it easier. Wait. I hope you're seeing me. So, glasses, di ba? Ulitin natin. So, eyeglasses. Yeah, so might as well wear it. So, palit lang yan. Put it here. Isa pa, we have our earphones. This is a Jabra brand na earphone. Kung mapapansin niyo, yung right earphone lang yun nandito. I lost the left earphone. I was biking, no, kakabit ko siya, pulled it out of my pocket, nalaglag, tumalbog, gumulong sa kalye, hindi ko na nahanap yung left, so kanan. At isa lang naman talaga dapat isusuot mo. You don't do both. You have to hear, no? Kailangan very alert ka, and if you lose your sense of hearing, napakadelikado niyan on the road. Ang middle pocket ko naman, phone of course. Dito sa rightmost, wallet. This is a Rafa small waterproof case, no? And inside the case is another wallet, the main wallet. We got our cards here and cash. That's it. Although I'm still on the hunt for the perfect wallet, you know what I mean? I'm gonna show you something. Medyo nakalabas pa siya, no? Wala akong mahanap na tagong-tago, but so far ito yung pinaka-effective na nakapasok sa bulsa and waterproof. So what more can I ask for? If they made this a little smaller, mas maganda siguro, but you know, it works. It does the job. One more thing, I have a utility knife. Multi-purpose protection na rin, you know, never know when you'll need a knife. But okay, we're done with what's on my person. Now let's look at the bike. Okay, this is my Colnago C64. Ito ang unang edition ng C64. Rim brakes pa siya. At hindi na maulit yan. They no longer produce rim brakes sa C-Series. or any Colnago bike for that matter. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero the rim brake is gone. Natigil na dito. May mga V3 RS pa na naka rim brake and other models, pero sa C-Series, dito sa C64, ito yung una lumabas na C64 at ito na rin yung huling naka rim brake. Look at the lettering. First edition ng C64. Luma pa. Diba? It's on a Campagnolo Super Record. EPS, 12-speed. Carbon dry, OSPW. I got our look. Keo blade pedals here. Luma na, no? Medyo laspag na siya, so I have to replace that real soon. Bora WTO 45s. In case you don't know what WTO stands for, it means wind tunnel optimized. That simply means wind tunnel tested for aerodynamics and such. Okay. Pirelli P0. 25C ang thickness ng tires. We have our Physique saddle. This is the Versus Evo. Antares 00. Carbon saddle. Lightweight stem. Lightweight handlebar. Carbon tie stem cap. And look at my bar tape. Wala siyang tape here kasi the wrapping started dito sa bar. Palabas. Diba usually dito ka, then you go up. But the wrapping started here. Galing, diba? This is a Garmin mount. Garmin unit. It's a Garmin Edge 830. I have the Colnago bidon. Okay. My bottle cages are lightweight. Yan, lightweight pareho yan. I'd like to show you my tool bottle. No? This is a Zefal tool bottle. But notice this part. Itong part na to. Ito. Extension, di ba? Usually, the cap is hanggang dito lang. Pero I found this sa shopping ako sa Two Wheel Nation the other day. Nakita ko to and, you know, a little more space is always good. So, let's see what's inside. So, binuksan ko na siya. Yung top portion, no, this one, nakalagay Zito tubeless plugs. We have our missing link here, yung naka-tape. Sorry, isa lang kamay ko. Tapos meron tayong valve extender. I hope you're getting that. Yung black na nandyan. Dito sa main chamber, if you will, we got a multi-tool, a spare tube, hand pump, and levers. May patch kit din dyan, somewhere at the bottom. So, ayan. Diba? Double-decker tool bottle. Yeah, one more thing I want to show you is my tail light. So, nog yan. Yan din yung nakakabit dun sa Linsky episode ko. And this was a gift by Jeremy. So, Jeremy, if you're watching, thank you. So, I love this light. Wala akong front light dito sa ride na to kasi nung lumabas ako medyo maliwanag na. So, I don't need that. That's the bike. Ay, teka. Ito pa pala. I have this reflector thing, no, na binili ko sa Lazada. Started out as a joke. Bumili ako niyan isang bag. 20 yata in one bag. Tapos nasa coffee shop kami. Kasama ko yung mga barkada ko. Hindi nila alam. Dala ko yan eh. Kinabitan ko na ganyan yung mga spokes nila. And of course, they were surprised na, saan galing to? Saan galing to? And I told them, ako nagkabit. Got a good laugh out of it. And yung iba sa kanila, hindi pa nila inaalis yan. Although yung iba tinanggal. Nabado yan eh, no? But some of them kept it. And I obviously am keeping mine. So, yun, Lazada. Reflector, spoke reflector. And there you have it. It's an EDC episode. Showed you my bike, showed you what's in my pockets, and show you what's on my body. Sana may natutunan. Pag may kulang na important sa tingin nyo, na ginagawa ninyo or dinadala ninyo, let me know. I may learn something from you as well. Share natin sa other viewers. That's it. If you have questions, let me know. Just drop it in the comments. Or better yet, follow me on Instagram. If you message me on Instagram, direct message, mas responsive ako doon kasi mas direct sa akin eh. Okay? You always ride safe. God bless you all. I'll see you next time.